Good day, especially to you, ma'am. I am Kim A. Balyarta, and this is our report of Group 1. And this is the main topics: the criminal etiology, types of approaches, type of criminal behavior, and types of factor. Criminal etiology. Any attempt at scientific study of the cause of crime to or objects should be considered. And these are the man and his criminal behavior in relation to criminal or penal law, which defined as the branch of division of public law, which defines crime, threat of nature, and provides for the punishment. Ang kaning criminal etiology is provide scientific analysis on the cause of crime. Criminal etiology is to analyze why criminal prevents crime. For example, psychological disease, sakit sa pag-iisip, maunay kasagaran cause of crime. The next topic is types of approaches. The biological approach. The biological theories of criminal behavior says that it studied of criminal in biological perspective. Kabalo naman ta bio means life, so biological approach naga-focus siya sa life sa criminal. And the next type of approach is the psychogenic approach. Psychologists, investigators are pursuing the psychogenic approach to criminology behavior, in which the emphasis based on linking criminal behavior to mental state, especially mental evidence disease, mental disorder, pathologies, and emotional problem, and they repeatedly assert that crime is out of criminal mind. Ang kaning psychogenic approach focus sa psychological behavior of criminal like mental states, especially mental evidence disease, mental disorder, o dagan pa, in short, sakit sa pag-iisip. The next is the multi-factor approach. A long-standing criticism of the earlier bioorganic and psychological approach to crime has much of work entered around the search for single factor or single set like factors that could be shown to account for all criminal behavior. The multi-factor approach in criminology grew out of the discrepancies and argument attending the single factor tradition of the earlier days and its adherent argument for the approach to crime that would reconcile the disparate orientation and contribute made by variety of the factors. So, there is a multi-factor approach kay na combine na ang biological o psychogenic. The next topic is types of criminal behavior. And this is the types of criminal behavior. Singularity cause. Crime is produced only by one factor or variable. They are social, biological, or mental. This theory is no longer in use at present. B is multiple factor theory. Crime is not a product of single cause or factor, but a combination factors are playing a major reason while the others is playing the minor role. This is the accept theory of crime causation. The third is the eclectic theory. Crime is one instance may be caused by one or more factors, while in the other instance is caused by another set of factors. The next topic is factors that enhance the development of criminal behavior. Criminal demography study of relation between criminality and population. Ang criminal demography kay nag-study sila na enhance ang criminal behavior tungod sa population, tungod sa relation between population and criminality. In short, criminal demography na enhance ang criminal behavior tungod sa population, kanang tungod sa kadaghan tao din sa kalibutan. Criminal epidemiology, study of the relationship between environment and criminality. Diri kay na-enhance ang criminal behavior diri tungod sa environment. And C is criminal ecology, study of criminality in relation to spatial distribution in community. Na-enhance ang development sa criminal behavior tungod sa mga ang criminal na ay relation sa community, kanang na mga kapit o kanang corrupt. And the D is physical anthropology, study of the criminality in relation study of criminality in relation of to physical constitution of men. And E is criminal psychology, study of human behavior in relation to criminality. So, criminal psychology kay sabotable naman, di ba? Kanang nag-study sa behavior sa tao, sa criminal. And F is victimology, study of the role of victim in commission of crime. Ang kaning victimology kay nag-study sila sa role sa victim, for example ngano sa iya gibuhat sa criminal. And that's all, thank you.